The ABCs of toxic people. A. Arrogance. Toxic individuals often display a sense of superiority and arrogance. They believe they are always right and may belittle others to maintain a false sense of superiority. B. Boundary violation. Toxic people frequently cross personal boundaries, disregarding the feelings and needs of others. They may invade personal space, manipulate emotions, or overstep limits without consideration. C. Control. Controlling behavior is a common trait of toxic individuals. They seek to manipulate and dominate others, using tactics like emotional manipulation, guilt-tripping, or coercion to maintain control over people and situations. D. Deceit. Toxic individuals may engage in deceitful practices, such as lying, spreading rumors, or creating drama to manipulate situations to their advantage. They often lack transparency and honesty in their interactions. E. Envy. Toxic people harbor deep-seated envy and resentment towards the success and happiness of others. They may undermine others' achievements or try to sabotage their progress to alleviate their own insecurities. F. Frequent drama. Toxic people thrive on drama and conflict. They often create or escalate situations to keep the focus on themselves, creating chaos and confusion to divert attention from their own shortcomings. G. Gaslighting. Gaslighting is a manipulative tactic used by toxic individuals to make others doubt their own perceptions, memories, or sanity. They twist facts, deny reality, and undermine the confidence of those around them. H. Hypocrisy. Toxic individuals often have a double standard, expecting others to adhere to rules and expectations that they themselves do not follow. They may criticize others for behavior they engage in without deep regret. I. Intimidation. Toxic people may resort to intimidation tactics to instill fear and gain compliance. This can manifest as aggressive behavior, threats, or a persistent use of power dynamics to keep others in check. J. Jealousy. Toxic individuals harbor intense jealousy and may feel threatened by the success or happiness of others. They may undermine or sabotage relationships and opportunities to maintain a sense of superiority. K. Manipulation. Manipulation is a key tool in the toxic person's weapon. They use cunning tactics to influence and control others, often exploiting vulnerabilities for their own gain. L. Lack of empathy. Toxic people often lack empathy and struggle to understand or acknowledge the feelings of others. They may be insensitive to the pain they cause and show little remorse for their actions. M. Martyr complex. Toxic individuals may adopt a martyr complex, portraying themselves as perpetual victims who are unfairly treated by others. This allows them to garner sympathy and manipulate situations to their advantage. N. Negativity. Toxic people often exude a constant air of negativity. They focus on the flaws and failures of others, consistently complain, and rarely express genuine happiness for the successes of those around them. O. Overbearing. Toxic individuals tend to be overbearing and demanding. They may impose their opinions, desires, and expectations on others, leaving little room for individual autonomy or differing perspectives. Peer projection. Projection is a defense mechanism used by toxic individuals to attribute their own negative traits or behaviors to others. They may accuse others of the very actions they are guilty of, deflecting attention away from their own shortcomings. Q. Quick to criticize. Toxic people are often quick to criticize and slow to offer constructive feedback. They focus on finding fault and flaws, eroding the confidence of those around them rather than fostering growth and improvement. R. Resentment. Toxic individuals harbor deep-seated mistreated and grudges. They may be unwilling to forgive and forget, holding on to past grievances and using them as ammunition in conflicts. S. Self-centered. Toxic people are inherently self-centered, prioritizing their own needs and desires above those of others. They may exploit relationships for personal gain and lack genuine concern for the well-being of others. T. Triangulation. Triangulation involves toxic individuals creating conflicts between two or more parties to manipulate the dynamics of relationships. By sowing discord and playing people against each other, they maintain control and avoid accountability. U. Unreliable. Toxic individuals often prove to be unreliable and inconsistent in their words and actions. They may make promises they don't intend to keep, creating a sense of uncertainty and instability in relationships. V. Victim mentality. Toxic individuals frequently adopt a victim mentality, portraying themselves as helpless and blaming external factors for their problems. This mindset allows them to evade responsibility and elicit sympathy from others. W. Withholding affection. Toxic people may use affection and approval as a tool for manipulation. They may withdraw love, attention, or support to control others and make them feel insecure. X. Xenophobia, metaphorically. In the metaphorical sense, toxic individuals may exhibit a form of social xenophobia, that is fear of strangers. Being resistant to accepting new ideas, perspectives, or diverse opinions. They may reject anything that challenges their established beliefs. Y. Yielding false apologies. Toxic individuals may offer apologies that lack sincerity. Their apologies may be a means of manipulation rather than genuine remorse, often repeating harmful behavior without true intention to change. Z. Zero accountability. One of the defining features of toxic individuals is their reluctance to take responsibility for their actions. They deflect blame onto others, circumstances, or external factors, avoiding accountability for the harm they cause. Understanding these traits can be instrumental in identifying toxic behaviors and taking steps to establish healthier boundaries in relationships. It's essential to prioritize your well-being and surround yourself with positive influences whenever possible. These traits collectively define the toxic behaviors that can be detrimental to relationships, personal well-being, and overall harmony. Recognizing these signs is crucial for maintaining healthy boundaries and avoiding the negative impact of toxic individuals in your life.